Hi there, content creators. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm revealing an incredible strategy to help you create 1,000 engaging YouTube shorts in just 10 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, 10 minutes. With the power of AI tools like ChatGPT and design platforms like Canva, creating content at scale has never been easier. Whether you're a YouTuber looking to grow your channel, a business owner wanting to reach a broader audience, or just curious about content automation, this video is for you. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Brainstorming ideas with ChatGPT. The first step in our process is idea generation. And here's where ChatGPT comes in. ChatGPT is an advanced AI tool that can help you generate tons of creative content ideas in seconds. Here's an example. Let's say you run a fitness channel. You can type, generate 100 short motivational quotes for fitness enthusiasts. And voila, ChatGPT instantly gives you a list of bite-sized motivational quotes perfect for YouTube Shorts. Another example, if you're in the tech niche, you could ask, create 50 fun facts about smartphones that are under 30 seconds. And within moments, you have unique, engaging scripts that are ready to go. ChatGPT is a game changer for scaling content. And the best part? It works for any niche, travel, education, gaming, or even memes. Step 2. Organizing and editing scripts. Once you've generated your ideas, the next step is to organize them. I like to copy everything into a spreadsheet so I can quickly review and make edits. This helps ensure the scripts match my tone and style. For example, if you're using motivational quotes, you might want to personalize them. If it's a list of facts, double-check for accuracy. Spend just 10-15 minutes here to polish your content, and you're ready for the next step. Step 3. Designing with Canva. Now that we have our scripts, it's time to turn them into visually appealing videos. Canva is my go-to tool for this, and here's why. It offers ready-made templates, specifically designed for platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. You can import all your scripts at once using the Bulk Create feature. Here's how it works. 1. Open Canva and select a vertical video template. 2. Use the Bulk Create option to import your scripts directly from your spreadsheet. 3. Canva will automatically generate hundreds of slides based on your content. Add a few design elements, like background animations, transitions, or icons, to make your videos pop. Canva makes the design process simple and quick, even if you're not a professional designer. Step 4. Adding music and voiceovers. Now that the visuals are ready, let's add some multimedia to make our videos more engaging. Start with background music. YouTube's audio library has tons of free tracks that you can use without copyright issues. Choose something upbeat or relevant to your niche. Next, consider adding a voiceover to personalize your videos. Here's a quick trick. Use tools like Descript or even your phone's voice recorder to record short, clear audio clips. Upload the voiceovers to Canva and sync them with your visuals. If you don't want to record your voice, you can use text-to-speech tools like Murph or 11 Labs for professional-sounding narrations. Step 5. Exporting and publishing. Once everything is ready, it's time to export your videos. Canva allows you to download high-quality MP4 files that are perfect for YouTube Shorts. When uploading to YouTube, make sure to 1. Use optimized titles with keywords to attract viewers. 2. Write engaging descriptions and include relevant hashtags. 3. Schedule your uploads consistently. For example, aim to post 2 to 3 shorts per day. This consistency helps the algorithm favor your channel, boosting your visibility. Why this strategy works. Now you might be wondering, why does this strategy work so well? It's simple. Short-form videos are dominating social media. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are prioritizing shorts because they drive high engagement. By posting consistently, you increase your chances of going viral and attracting new subscribers. The combination of AI-generated content and professional design makes your videos stand out from the competition. And that's it. With the power of ChatGPT and Canva, creating high-quality, monetizable YouTube shorts has never been easier. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced content creator, this strategy can help you scale your channel and reach new heights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite AI tools or content creation tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy creating.
AI Syndicate side hustle dreams. We're turning thoughts into laser beams. With every tool, every trick you learn, we're building futures, cash to burn. So hit subscribe, don't miss the call. Your AI journey starts with us all.